So hi everyone, today we're talking about Whisper, an ASR system that is automatic speech recognition system developed by OpenAI, which is able to convert any audio into its text version. So basically, it is very easy to use and it won't require you any APIs, and also that's the best part. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to pip install OpenAI hyphen Whisper package from Python. Eventually, you need to import it and then load the base model, and then it's very easy to use model.transcribe sample.wave. So sample.wave is a audio file that I have, and then eventually when you go for the results text, so eventually you can see that what text is present in that audio. So this is me, or I am a data scientist. What about you? So this is a sample wave file that I uploaded. Next, I tried out with a longer version of a file that is a song counting stars by One Republic. So here you can see that again the process remains the same. It's not something extra we need to do for a longer audio. So here you can see that it remains the same. Then I have pre-processed the text a bit so that it is visible to you. So as you can see that all the lyrics of the songs have been easily guessed by Whisper from the audio of the audio of the song, and eventually it's almost correct. So even results are pretty good, and as you can see, the length of the output is very long. So eventually it is able to transcribe the whole song. So this is how you can use Whisper in your local system for converting audios to text, and this is greatly highly useful to generate subtitles for a given video.